Hey, what's up guys? My name is Benkei. Today let's talk about the tuple in Python. Tuple is a very special data structure in Python. So first let's go and define a tuple, say called data, dimension equal to 10, 20. Here I define a tuple called dimension. So as you can see that it's different than a list, say 10, 20, right? So as you can see that the tuple use brackets this way, right? Okay, let me then print out to see how that looks like, say dimension. It print out like this way, the same thing here. So what if I want to access, say, can I get the length of dimension, or can I get the size of dimension? As you can see that the tuple object has no attribute size. So where is my length? My length is 2 probably here. Let me add a little bit of information here. Length and the size. The length is 2. My size has no size. Right. So how can I access the element for tuple? There's a way dimension print dimension 1. So let's comment this line because I'm gonna complain here. As you can see that there is a way that I give the index 0 and 1 by using that to access the element in the tuple. So can I use for loops? Say for x in dimension print x. That's right. Okay. Maybe let me add a little bit information here. Okay, I can use for loop to access the tuple just like what I did in the list, right? So can I change the value in the dimension, say dimension 0 equal to, try to change that to from 10 to 1. So, okay, it says tuple object does not support item assignment. So, what can I do if I want to change that? There's a way that I can do, say 1 and 3. Then I print changed tuple dimension. There you go. As you can see, I changed the tuple here. So what if I still keep the first element the same? As you can see, my second one will change, right? Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.